So this is the 15-degree nozzle on here, and we're going to take on some more.
Watch out, Genevieve. Watch out. Move. Move. We're using the 15-degree nozzle against some buildup on aluminum siding. Powerful enough to get a little bit of the residue, but not very much.
Grime is gone. When grime gets the upper hand, fight back against your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with SPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer from Sun Joe. With 13 amps of pure cleaning power, SPX3500 packs a super-powered punch, generating up to 2,300 PSI to make quick work of a variety of outdoor chores. Pump up to 1.48 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. This grime fighter will make quick work of the most stubborn stains, from mildew to caked on mud, grease, oil stains, and more. And like every great superhero's utility belt, the trusty extra-large 40.6 fluid ounce onboard detergent tank is there for when you need to give your cleaning blast a boost. Talk about grime and punishment? Tailor your spray to suit the task with the included 5 quick connect spray nozzles, from punishing pinpoint jet to powerful fan spray. And you'll always clean smarter, not harder, with SPX3500's built-in total stop system, which automatically shuts off both pump and power when the trigger's not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. And every SPX 3500 comes backed by Sun Joe's complete 2-year warranty. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. From porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, auto deck, and driveway, your dirty jobs just got done. SPX 3500 electric pressure washer from Sun Joe. Get equipped.